Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a closer look at the FurLife collar, a product that promises to protect your pets from ticks and fleas for up to 12 months. If you're wondering whether this collar really works or if it's just another scam, stick around as we dive into the details. According to the official website, the FurLife collar uses natural ingredients designed to repel ticks, fleas, mosquitoes, and other pests. It's advertised as a long lasting chemical free solution that's safe for pets and easy to use. Just put it on your dog's necks and the collar does the rest. Looking at reviews on Trustpilot, the Fur Life collar holds a solid 4.2 star rating from nearly 2,000 users, which is a good sign. Many pet owners praise the collar's effectiveness, noting that it kept their dogs tick free and that customer service is responsive and helpful. One happy user mentioned reordering it for their dogs, emphasizing their satisfaction. However, it's not perfect. Some users reported the color didn't last the full 12 months as promised and that text returned sooner than expected. This inconsistency is something to keep in mind. Individual results may vary based on your pet's environment and other factors. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on personal opinion and research. So, what's the final verdict? The Fur Life collar appears to be a legitimate product with many satisfied customers. But it may not work perfectly for everyone. It's worth trying if you're looking for a natural pest solution. But manage your expectations on duration and effectiveness. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.